Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
20 students. Okay, so today we are going to see a special case in assignment problems, that is assignment problems with mistake. Yes, Harshada, you want to say something? We have seen Hungarian method, we have seen maximization in assignment problem. Did we see unbalanced assignment problem, girls? Or we haven't seen maximization also? Did we have maximization? I'm asking you something, girls. Did we have maximization in assignment problems? Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
What? Did we have maximization in assignment problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So let us first do that. Okay. It's very easy. It is similar to that of transportation problem. We have seen maximization in case of transportation problem, right? I need to rename my file name also, that I will do later on. Maximization in assignment problem. Okay. Or problems. So do you remember we had the similar case, same case in for transportation problems? What did we do there? What did we do there? Does anyone remember that? Come on, girls, answer my questions. What is going on?
Convert it into minimization.
Adding dummy column or row.
Hey, Bipashini, I'm not talking about unbalanced TP. I'm talking about maximization in transportation problems.
Ma'am, we convert it into minimization problem.
Minimization problem.
Convert it into minimization problem by subtracting every entry from the largest entry of that matrix. Same thing we are going to do here. Okay. That we will have an assignment problem and we want to maximize it. That means it may be related to some profit quotient. Okay. Benefit. We will look forward to maximize the benefit, maximize the profit, maximize the sales, etc. So, what you have to do, you have to find out the maximum entry from the given matrix and subtract every entry from that. Okay, thus the problem is converted into minimization. And then you solve it as usual Hungarian method. So let us have one problem. A marketing manager. Please write it fast. A marketing manager wished to assign 4 zones. Say Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4 to 4 salesmen. S1, S2, S3 and S4. These salesmen differ in different zones. That means their what you say, their efficiency differs in different zones. Okay, their sale differs in different zones. These salesmen differ in different zones. So what will be the, or find the assignment of salesmen to zones so as to maximize the sale. Have you understood the type of the problem, girls? Can I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the zones and these are the salesmen. S1, S2, S3, S4. Seven, 12, 37, 18, 25, 27, 18, 25, 16, 3, 17, 23, 10, 25, 14, 9. Okay. So first step is convert maximization problem into minimization. Largest entry क्या है इसमें? What is the largest entry here?
37.
37. So subtract every entry of the matrix from 37. Okay, so you will get a new table. So the new table is 30, 25, 0, 19. करेक्ट है क्या? देखो subtractions 12, 10, 19, 12, 21, 34, 20, 14, 27, 12, 23, and 28. Is this correct, girls? Generally, this kind of problem is asked for 5 marks. 1 mark is allotted to convert the given problem into minimization. Okay. Yes, now apply row reduction. रो रिडक्शन से आपको नया मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द मैट्रिक्स ओवर हियर. Yes, first row, which is the smallest entry? First row,
12.
Huh?
19.
अरे first row. Can't
19.
you see zero? Can't you see zero, girls? So first row will remain as it is. Zero को छोड़ो मत ऐसे. Second row.
10.
Second row, 10. 10 is the smallest entry. So tell me row reduction. बताओ जल्दी. Subtract every element. Subtract 10 from every element.
2092.
Third row. Fourteen subtract करो. 7, 20, 6, 0. Last row. Come on, girls. सब कुछ मैंने ही करना है क्या? My lecture is on recording. Do you understand this?
15. 0.
11, 16.
Now tell me, now हमें column reduction करना है इसका. So every column has a single zero. Yes or no? Does every column have zero? First column, is there any zero? First column, is there any zero?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, and second, third, fourth column has zeros. So second, third, fourth column will remain as they are. First column will change. 2 is the smallest entry here. So subtract 2, so you get 28, 0, 5 and 13. And then these are same. Second column has 2 zeros. Third column has 1 0. Fourth column also has 1 0. So let us start assigning zeros now. Go to that row where there is single zero. So can I assign this 0 in the first row? Can I assign this 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second row, there are 2 zeros. Right? Second row, there are 2 zeros. So let us keep it aside. Third row, there is single zero. So I will assign that. Fourth row also there is single zero. I will assign that. Now can I give, this is Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. Now S1 is assigned to Z3, zone 3. Salesman 1 is assigned to zone 3. Salesman 3 is assigned to zone 4. Salesman 4 is assigned to zone 2. So can I assign salesman 2 again to zone 2?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. So I am putting a cross over here. Do you understand these assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Assignments
Yes,
are
ma'am.
S1 Z3, S2 Z1, S3 Z4, S4 Z2. But while finding the maximum sale, you have to return to the original values. Okay, not this matrix. You have to go back to the original matrix. That is this matrix. This is your original matrix, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
तो हमारा आंसर क्या है? ये है, ये है, ये है और ये है. करेक्ट है क्या? So 37 plus 25 plus 23 plus 25. So what is the answer? $110 units. Have you understood maximization?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy, very, very easy. Unbalanced assignment problem now. Unbalanced assignment problem. So next case, unbalanced assignment problem. When number of jobs is not equal to number of facilities, then assignment problem is unbalanced. Okay, that is rows is not equal to number of columns. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Okay, if number of rows is greater than number of columns, add those many columns, those many dummy columns. हम क्या करते थे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में? One at a time, how many dummy source or dummy destination we used to add? बता सकते हो क्या? Girls, I'm asking you something. In transportation problem, if the problem is unbalanced, that is total supply is not equal to total demand, then how many dummy row sources or dummy destinations we used to add?
Total supply minus total demand.
Array, how many dummy sources I'm asking you? That will be the, if your number of sources, if your total supply is greater than total demand, then you add one dummy destination. Do you add two dummy destinations or three dummy destinations?
No, one.
No. एक ही करते थे ना ऐड, आप एक ही करते थे ना, एक ही डमी सोर्स ऐड करते थे या डमी डेस्टिनेशन ऐड करते थे. वहां पे हम टोटल सप्लाई माइनस टोटल डिमांड या टोटल डिमांड माइनस टोटल सप्लाई जितना है उतने यूनिट्स डालते थे वहां पे. याद आ रहा है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, यहाँ पे वैसे नहीं होगा. एज एवरी रो, that is every source has supply of 1 unit and every destination has requirement of 1 unit. अगर मेरे पास 3 सोर्सेस है और 5 डेस्टिनेशंस है तो मुझे कितने सोर्सेस ऐड करने पड़ेंगे असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम में? दैट इज नंबर ऑफ रोज 3 है मेरे पास और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स 5 है, तो मुझे कितने डमी रोज ऐड करने चाहिए?
2.
हाँ,
Two.
समझा? ये बात समझी क्या आपको? ये लिखो जो मैंने लिखा है. ये डिफरेंस है अनबैलेंस्ड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में और अनबैलेंस्ड असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम में. बिकॉज असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम में हर एक रो का सप्लाई 1 यूनिट है, हर एक कॉलम की डिमांड 1 यूनिट है. इसलिए हमें, अगर मेरे पास 3x5 मैट्रिक्स है तो मुझे 2 रोज ऐड करने होंगे, डमी 1 एंड डमी 2. Finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let us have one example. So I'm not describing it now, I'm just giving you the problem. So these are the jobs and these are the facilities, suppose. Okay, 62, 78, 50, 101, 82, 71, 84, 61, 73, 59, 87, 92, 111, 71, 81, 48, 64, 87, 77, 80. Okay, the very first step is, so order of matrix is 4x5. Number of jobs is less than number of facilities. Therefore, add a dummy job. Okay, and take what you have to, which number you will take there in the dummy. Either you take a very large number as compared to all these entries, or you take simply 0. Okay, जैसे कि यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी एंट्री है 111, so I can take सारी entries equal to 200 in the dummy row. Okay, all the entries I will take as 200, because ultimately in the row reduction they are going to become 0. Do you understand it? So you can assign a very large number. Okay, take a sufficiently large number. Let me just reframe the sentence. The cost of these dummy elements is taken sufficiently large. Sufficiently large so that assignment would be least preferred. क्योंकि हमें असाइनमेंट करनी है मिनिमम के लिए, है ना. So this is just to get the assignments. It is not going to affect the originality of the problem. Have you finished writing it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Going to the next page. And now I'm adding here a dummy job. So you can simply say dummy. So अगर आपके पास 4x6 मैट्रिक्स है तो आपको 2 डमी रोज ऐड करने होंगे. Okay, so here I'm adding dummy and I can take number as 200, 200. अगर ये आपके माइंड में कंफ्यूजन है, so you can simply take 0 there. Doesn't matter. Have you understood it? Actually, this problem is from the exercise, and this problem is about maximizing the things. Okay, maximization का problem था ये. So there are two special cases involved here. The problem is unbalanced and the maximization. Both. Okay. So first you have to balance it and then start doing maximization. Okay. Do you want to solve it for maximization or minimization? Doesn't matter. हमें सिर्फ problem Hungarian method देखनी है. You want to solve it for minimization?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will not convert it into minimization. We are considering this to be our minimization problem. So now do the row reduction technique. रो रिडक्शन से आपको क्या मिलेगा? फर्स्ट रो बताओ. फर्स्ट रो बताओ. फर्स्ट रो विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंट्री?
50.
Please do write row reduction, otherwise you will not understand what is happening. 62 is the smallest entry, so 0, then
Ma'am, 60.
60 कहाँ है?
50. Ma'am, 50 is the smallest one, not 62.
sorry, I am so sorry. 50. So पहला नंबर है 12, 28, 0, 51, 32. Second row, smallest entry is 61. Correct, na?
59.
9, ma'am.
Happening with me. 59. 59 plus 12. मतलब ये 12 आ गया क्या? Then this will be 25. This is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
2.
Third row, 71 is the smallest. So this is 16, 21, 40, 0, 10. Fourth row, 48 is the smallest. So 0, 16. बताओ ना girls.
$39, 29, 32.
Right? Okay, row reduction matrix लिखा सबने? Now I am writing from this. I will be writing column reduction matrix. Column reduction matrix में क्या होगा बताओ? It will remain same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because every column has a 0 number because if the last row entirely is 0. So every column has a 0. So the matrix will be same. So let us start assigning. After column reduction, matrix remains same. Matrix remains same. Okay. So हम यहीं पे assign करते हैं. First row I can assign because there is single 0, but then I cannot assign this 0. Is that correct? Then I will assign this 0 and then I cannot assign this 0. Then I will assign this 0, I cannot assign this 0. Then I can assign this 0, then I cannot assign this 0. And then I can assign this 0. So every row and every column I am getting 1 0 assigned.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So assignments क्या है आपकी? क्या मैंने नाम दिए थे उसके? नाम क्या दिए थे?
1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D.
So 1 to C, 2 to E, 3 to D, 4 to A, and dummy to B. Okay, and the cost is, assignment cost क्या है आपकी? Assignment cost is 50 plus 2 to E क्या है? 59 plus 71 plus 48 plus. Now see girls, you should not consider that 200. Do you understand it? Because it was dummy. Do you understand it? Otherwise what will happen? I am taking 200 here. Somebody can take 1000. Will it give a uniform answer? That's why I always prefer
No, ma'am.
not to take a sufficiently large quantity. I always prefer to take 0 over here. मैं हमेशा 0 ही लेती हूँ ताकि आपके स्टूडेंट्स के मन में कंफ्यूजन ना हो. ओके? ओके? सो डमी का सिर्फ हमें असाइनमेंट के लिए काम करना है. कॉस्ट कंसिडर करते वक्त डमी की कॉस्ट कंसिडर नहीं करनी है बिकॉज that will harm the originality of the problem. Okay, have you understood both the cases?
Yes, ma'am.
आता हाँ, now homework है आपका, solve the same problem for maximization. Okay, so first you balance it, then reduce it to minimization and then solve it. Okay, so that you will have practice of maximizing it. And in exam, be prepared for harder questions, difficult questions. Though it is online exam, you will have to solve these problems and get the answer. Okay, so if you,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, now what we solved is maximization only, no?
no, what we solved was minimization, Bipashini. We first balanced it. Did we convert it into minimization?
No, ma'am.
Huh.
No, ma'am.
And what you do, instead of taking this 200, now you take 0 only while balancing your problem. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
अदरवाइज आप ये 200 लोगे तो सबसे बड़ी एंट्री 200 हो जाएगी. समझा क्या? ओके, सो वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए आप क्या करो, इसे 0 0 0 0 0 ही ले लो. Bipashini, your doubt is clear or not? What we did
Ma'am,
was,
but here for solving for maximization, we have to convert it to minimization, no?
yes, first you have to balance it. First balance the
Yes,
problem.
yes, ma'am.
Then you convert it into minimization, then solve it. Your answer will be different. Okay. Now the next case, assignment problem with restrictions. Assignment problems with restrictions. This is very easy. Now this could be, see, all the cases could be in one problem that you want to maximize it. The problem is unbalanced and it has some restrictions also. So what you have to do in restrictions? Restrictions means what? That suppose you are considering a problem of salesmen and zones. So particular salesman cannot go to particular zone. So that is a restriction. A particular job cannot be assigned to a particular facility. Okay, so there you will not have any number given in the problem. So you replace that number just by infinity, and infinity is always large. So that you will not consider, okay? That will not come in your answer. So assignment problem with restriction will cover what? A particular job cannot be assigned to a particular facility. Okay? So this can be solved by assigning a very high cost infinity to the corresponding element in the matrix. So what will happen when you assign infinity? Naturally, you are under the you are running after zeros, and infinity minus anything will be what? Infinity plus infinity something, or infinity minus something is what?
Infinity.
Infinity only. So that will never
Infinity.
come in your assignments. Okay, that will never come in your assignment. So let us have one example. So there are some restrictions that machines are there, some operators are there. So some operator cannot operate certain machine, or some teachers cannot teach certain subject, something like that. Okay. So those problems you can overcome those problems by assigning. So this is 5-5-2. So that particular entry is empty. Okay. Okay, that means operator 1 cannot operate machine M3, and operator 3 cannot operate machine M4. So ये restrictions हमारे दिमाग में होने चाहिए. समझा क्या? Have you understood it? So replace
Yes.
dash by infinity. Okay. You replace dash by infinity. So you have this, and now I am replacing it here. So here I am making it infinity, infinity. Now you apply your regular method, row reduction. फटाफट numbers बोलो मुझे, चलो फटाफट numbers बोलो. First row, what is the smallest entry? First row,
2.
2. So it will be 3, 3. Infinity minus 2 will be infinity only. And 0. Second row, 2 again. So 5, 2, 0, 1. Third row, 3 is the smallest entry. So 6, 0, 2, infinity. Infinity minus 3 is infinity. 5, 0, 4, 5. This is row reduction. Now do column reduction. Does every column have 0?
No.
First column, what is the smallest entry? 3. कुछ बोलते नहीं हो आप लोग. नहीं आ रहा है क्या आपको? Yes, जल्दी करो. Tell me the assignments. Assignments बताओ जल्दी. फर्स्ट रो में कुछ असाइनमेंट करूं क्या मैं?
No, ma'am.
नो, मैं सेकेंड रो में जाती हूँ डायरेक्टली. अभी सेकेंड थर्ड रो में एक 0 है, मैं इसे असाइन करती हूँ. देन आई कैन नॉट असाइन दिस. नाउ इन द फर्स्ट रो आई कैन इधर असाइन दिस फर्स्ट 0 और द लास्ट 0. कुछ भी कर लो, रैंडमली आपको करना है. अगर ये करते हो तो ये नहीं करना है. सो आर यू गेटिंग 4 zeros?
No.
4 zeros. You are not getting 4 zeros. So tick mark method use करना है हमें. What is the tick mark method? Tick on that row where there is no assignment. Fourth row there is no assignment, right? गर्ल्स जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, नहीं तो लेक्चर एक्सटेंड होगा 11 बजे तक. जल्दी बोलो.
First row and
First row
No,
has
fourth
no
row.
single. First row there is no assignment. Sorry, fourth row there is no assignment. Not first row. Fourth row there is no assignment. You could not assign this 0 because this 0 was assigned. This 0, third row का 0 किस कॉलम को बिलोंग करता है? This 0 belongs to which column? Which column?
M2.
Second column. So I am assigning this second column. This 0 belongs to which row? This 0 belongs to which row?
Fourth row. Fourth.
अरे फोर्थ कहाँ है?
Third row. Third row. Third row.
Vipashini, why you are confused? Now tick mark is over. Yes or no? There was only one 0 which was not assigned. That belonged to fourth row. So I tick the fourth row. Now this 0, उसके सर के ऊपर वाला ये जो 0 है, ये जो 0 मैं बार बार हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ, this 0 belongs to second column. So I tick the second column. But this 0 belongs to third row. So I tick the third row. Now I have to draw lines on unticked rows and ticked columns. Unticked rows and ticked columns. हाँ,
मैम वो M1 और M4 में फिर भी हम कोई भी ले सकते थे.
क्या?
ले सकते थे यार.
कौन सा?
M1 और M4 में जब
Yes,
हमने
yes,
बॉक्स
yes. कौन सा भी ले सकते हो, कौन सा भी ले सकते हो. You can take any one. क्लियर? अभी टिक मार्क कहाँ पे लाइंस ड्रॉ करूं बताओ. वेयर शुड आई ड्रॉ द लाइंस? अनटिक्ड रोज कौन कौन से हैं?
First row and second row.
First row and second row are unticked and the second column is ticked. Okay. अभी क्या करना है बोलो. मीटिंग एंड होने तक मैं लेक्चर कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. 1-2 मिनट है अभी से. बताओ जल्दी. नाउ द एलिमेंट्स विच आर नॉट ऑन एनी लाइन, ये 4 लोग हैं. स्टार्ड ग्रीन स्टार्स 5 लोग है ये. 5, 6. What is the minimum entry here?
2.
2. So we will subtract this 2 from all the elements which are not on any line. We will add them to these starred elements intersection and there will be no change in the elements which are only on single line. So 3 plus 2, 5. Infinity as it is, 0 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 as it is, 1 as it is. Now 3 minus